Hello mga ka-homies, still looking for a property na fully finished and single detached na malapit sa Tagaytay. For as low as 35,000 pesos, marareserve mo na ang itong Antonina by Dimitterland. By the way, this is Joyce Constantino, located dito sa Holiday Homes, Barangay Biglatan, General Trias, Cavite. Ito may sukat na 130 square meter lot area and 80 square meter floor area. May basic landscape and gate and fence, and very spacious na ang car garage. At lahat ng pinto ay naka-solid wood mahogany na. Very spacious ng living area and dining area. Naka-cove ceiling na rin at may mga built-in cabinet na rin sa ating kitchen area. May water and electric connection na rin so wala na kayo papagawa pa. May powder room na rin sa first floor. Nakatiles na po ito from wall to ceiling. At may telephone shower na rin. At ang stairs ay modern design na. May high window kaya pwede nyo lagyan ng chandelier. Nakatiles na sa first floor to second floor. May 3 bedroom na naka-comb ceiling. May built-in cabinet at smoke detector na sa lahat ng kwarto.